Hello everyone, this is an introduction video for the PIC microcontroller series that is already available in our YouTube channel SM Training Academy. Let's get started. So if you are starting the embedded systems career, the first and foremost microcontroller that will be helpful for building your basic projects is the PIC microcontroller, that is especially PIC 16F based microcontroller. And most of the people who has succeeded in the embedded career would have been starting their career in the PIC microcontroller, especially with this PIC 16F 877A. So I also started my journey by learning this particular microcontroller as a base, and this particular series has a collection of videos which will guide you through this particular microcontroller peripheral step by step, and you will be able to program each and every peripheral in a bare metal manner so that you will be able to build your own products, or you will be gaining a proper knowledge on the register levels of this particular microcontroller. So this starts with an introduction video on the peripheral structure of the microcontroller, and all the relevant softwares will be installed. And you can see it starts with the general purpose input output. The series covers you through the general purpose input output, and a few other peripherals for GPIOs are 7 segment, multiplexing of 7 segments, switches, LCDs, 16x2 LCDs in an 8-bit 4-bit way, relays, how you can control the 230-volt appliance using the relays, and keypads. And it's again moves to the other peripheral, that is the timer peripheral of the microcontroller, multiplexing of 7 segment using timers, and ADC peripheral, analog to digital converter, and how you can interface an analog sensor to the microcontroller. And following that, you can utilize the internal EEPROMs, how you can do that, how you can generate PWM signals using the timer module of PIC 16F 877A. And coming to the communication protocol segment, you will be learning how to implement the UART communication, that is the universal asynchronous receiver transmitter communication in the PIC 16F 877A. And we will be interfacing HC05 Bluetooth module and EM18 using the UART communication of the PIC 16F 877A. And following that, we will be learning two other communication protocol, that is serial peripheral interface, that is this one, and the I2C inter-integrated circuits communication. And for each one of them, we will be building a product, that is we will be interfacing an SPI based EEPROM IC to PIC 16F 877A, and we will be building an digital clock for demonstrating and understanding the I2C communication in PIC 16F 877A. Almost this playlist covers everything that you want to learn in PIC microcontroller series, and it is already arranged in a systematic manner. So all you need to do is you can start learning from scratch. See you in the next video. Enjoy learning.